Hello my friends, in this video we are going to use an easy chart in Ignition Designer software. First, let's add it to the screen from the right panel. Now let me select real-time mode for the inserted easy chart. I wanna display current and past values of a tag like this. So let's enable its history option. This option will store the tag's values in a database. Inside the second field, I select a database as a storage provider. When you install the Ignition platform, a database is created by default. If you need, you can create new databases via the Ignition gateway. Now let's go back to the Ignition Designer and continue with the video. After enabling the history option, a clock icon appears beside the tag's name. Now let's drag it onto the easy chart. The component gives me some tools and abilities. Let's test some of them. Note that an easy chart can contain more than one diagram. So let's add another one. Another common mode for an easy chart is historical mode, which is an appropriate mode to display archived data. Let's select it and work with the easy chart for a bit. Well, on the right side of the chart, we have three icons to maximize, print, or save the diagram. I hope this video was useful for you. I'll see you in the next one.